Welcome everybody, VST here, FPS Tech. This is the Google Pixel 6 camera and video test, guys. So what are you gonna see in this video? You're gonna see a Full HD 60 FPS video during the day, a 4K 60 FPS video during the day, also a front camera video during the day. Then you're gonna see the same Full HD 60 FPS video during night, and then of course the mind-blowing 4K 60 FPS video during the night. Then some slow motion videos, but then also, guys, a lot of pictures from the new crazy motion camera, the action pen and the long exposure. Also picture from animal shots, picture from nature shots, some very nice night shots, portraits, and of course also zoom testing. So this is pretty much what you can get with the camera from the 6 and the 6 Pro, right, without of course the zoom thing. So please enjoy this video, thumbs up. If you like the video, subscribe for the channel, guys. Keep watching until the end, and yeah, let me know what you think down below in the comments. Let's start. Full HD 60 frames per second test video. What is funny is that I can see some struggling in my viewfinder in terms of stuttering, although the final product may be a bit different, guys, but you have to tell me that. Right now I am just shooting against the sun, just trying to edge out the maximum dynamic range I can get. So I'm gonna go now in a shady tree and then go back in the sun doing these pans. And alright, we know we have optical image stabilization here, I think also electronic one. I'm gonna now start some running tests. Okay, so I'm now running. Let's try to see how this is gonna work out, guys. I think so far so good. Now we can be doing some zooming tests. I'm gonna go here. Alright, okay, let's see how well the autofocus is gonna kick in. And alright, now I'm rotating myself again, trying to do the panning test. Now I'm gonna go, guys, to 2x, which is I think on digital zoom. We pretty much have the same scenario. Now I'm observing here right now as I speak this stuttering, and I just hope that it will not come out into the ready video. Alright, I'm gonna go back to 1. Okay, so viewfinder is still not very stable, guys. Again, I'm just saying this on purpose, and I want to see and test the ready video. So what you are now looking in my video is the ready video, and if that's okay, it means that Google are able to process it, but it doesn't look great in the viewfinder. Okay, now I'm gonna go to 0.7, which is the ultra wide, and let's test here the transition. Ultra wide, 1x, 2x, alright, 1x, 0.7 ultra wide. Okay, now I'm gonna go here with the ultra wide, try to do a close-up shot. 1, alright, cool. Move back to improve focus. I like the bokeh here. You can just see around the corners, like this beautiful GN1 sensor is so big. It's even bigger than the sensor in the S21 Ultra, so it does really look beautiful. And I hope it's just only optical, and I think it is, because the sensor is just quite big, and big sensors usually comes with big autofocus problems unless you have laser, which I think is the case here. So alright, let's just see how well this is going to turn up into the ready video. Some very beautiful colors, guys. You're enjoying the Sophia Autumn version. So welcome to the night video testing. Pixel 6 here, guys. Tensor chipset, Android 12 stock, you know. Full HD video, 1080p, 60 frames per second. Optical image stabilization there, and yeah, shooting 1x. I'm gonna go 2x on this very beautiful Mercedes S-Class. Okay, just trying to capture all the light, guys. It's a very big sensor, even a bit bigger than the one used in the S21 Ultra, so captures a lot of light. Try to see the stabilization, how it performs. I'm gonna give it a short run, praying for the phone to not fall from my hand. And now, guys, that's a very beautiful test here. So you see we have a very bright street here, illuminated from all the cars. Then I turn and we have this yellow night light from the lamps. And why is this a very good test? Because this is killing auto-white balance in almost 90% of the phones I've used. This light here is the killer of the auto-white balance, and Pixel phones or Google camera perhaps one of the best solutions dealing with fixing this auto-white balance. Okay, by the way, it's a bit weird. What I see here in my viewfinder is not necessarily what I see with my own eyes, by the way. A bit colors are more saturated and it's more vivid and even more light, but it's a known thing. Okay, I'm gonna go again now 2x here. Okay, just trying to zoom on the cars as we go now in this, I would say, rather dark scenario. I'm gonna go now straight to 1x and I'm gonna go for our viewing pleasure 2.7. Now a car is gonna pass my back. I'm gonna turn around very quickly. 171 and trying to go 2. All right, wasn't so bad, I guess. And now I'm gonna enter a very dark area. Now I'm 2, gonna go to 1. Okay, I'm gonna go to 07. 07, by the way, see, light is gone at all. I mean, the ultra-wide camera is not capturing enough light. I'm gonna go back to 1. You see, it's definitely better. Okay, and as I am going here to 2x, okay, 2x also quite well illuminated because it's using the main sensor. We know there is no optical zoom here. Right. 4K 60 FPS. Alright, I'm gonna start at 1x, and by the way, here guys, we do only have the option of 1x and 2x, which we know now is the digital zoom. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna do a slow rotation here. Okay, I have to tell you again, it is not brilliant into the viewfinder as I'm just recording this video, but I've just checked the other video. The Full HD 60 frame per second was not so bad in terms of ready product. Okay, I don't think it's somewhere even close to the S21 Ultra video quality or to the iPhones, which probably is the king in the mobile video, but it's not so bad, and it's probably a huge leap forward compared to how previous Pixel generations handled video. Okay, I'm gonna do again a slow turn. I'm gonna go now to 2x. Right, zoom on the guys playing tennis. Okay, now I observe again some stuttering. Gonna go back to 1x. I'm gonna do the running test right now. So this is the running test. Okay, now let's do the autofocus test. Alright, we have focus here. Oops. Okay. It's not bad, by the way. Alright. Cool. Okay. Now I'm gonna do again a running test. Let's try to check afterwards the stabilization. Now we are in an area where sun is not so high. No sun at all. Alright. So let me just make another transition, a quick walk here. Alright, I'm running with the phone in my hand. Okay guys. Alright, let's do a slow turn again. This is 4K 60 FPS. And now it's time for the very much necessary and required 4K 60 FPS video test, guys. And yeah, you're right, as you can tell, I have entered a very dark part of the South Park here, Sophia. Just for your viewing pleasure, I don't want to cuddle the phone, I want to make things easier for the phone. So that's why I decided I'll just join here the park at night and try to see how 4K 60 does. Alright, so I'm just gonna also go now for a run. Bear a moment with me. Okay, now we are entering the area that's a bit more illuminated. That's funny and weird because it's definitely not so dark as to what I see here on my screen. By the way, what I can just see here on the screen, guys, I see with my own eyes. It's a reflection, probably the cold, but it does look very, very beautiful. We have this blue part here, this blue part of the sky, I think illuminated somehow. I'm not sure really how it happened because it's already way too late. I can show you guys. It is 10:37 here. Very well, very beautiful. But okay, going back to our test, still shooting at 4K. Now I have the phone with my both hands and I'm running like crazy, just trying to test the stabilization here and also trying to You see what I'm doing here with my hands? Like artificially trying to move the phone. Okay. Okay. See? Alright, this area now it's a bit more light. We just have 1x, then we have also 2x. Right now I went to 2x. Now I can do the panning test at 2x. Gonna back to 1x. Gonna back to 2x. Alright, so it's 1x, 2x, 1x, 2x, okay? You don't have any other option. Probably get a bit more on the Pixel 6 Pro, but that's as much as you can get. And this is why I love this night testing, guys. A lot of artificial but still beautiful colors, LED colors, green colors, red colors, amber from the traffic lights, then also from the cars. It's really beautiful. Okay, let's just have a still here. 1x, 2x. Focus not bad, by the way. Okay. And now some pleasure for the eyes. That's the price for the eyes, guys. Yep, Wonderland. Alright, let's see how this behaves. This is a test on the front camera, and on the regular Pixel don't see any options. Not sure. I don't think it's actually even doing 60 frames per second, probably just 30 FPS. Alright, let's try to do a slow test. That's actually a camera that is not stabilized, so don't expect any like miraculous result, but it should produce hopefully a quite nice video. Alright, so this is gonna be this very short test on the front camera and the way it behaves. It has 1x, it has also 1.4. It's gonna zoom somehow. Okay, then back to 1. And that's it. I'm using, by the way, this speech enhancement thing, which is probably new, and I just see it for the first time on the Pixel 6.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
So that was it, folks. I really hope that you have liked this video. I put a lot of efforts trying to capture the whole variety of photos and videos you can do with the Pixel 6, which for sure is an amazing camera phone. It is also a very nice phone, and I'll do a review of Pixel 6. I need a bit more time to test it, but I really hope that the video and audio and camera and photos right now have no secrets anymore for you. And for myself, really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please, you and your family, stay safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe until we meet in one of my next videos. With that said, VST over and bye.